In this part, we will discuss about its commercial use, where they are produced in the large quantity or in factories. Some bacteria uses in the production of tea and coffee. Some bacteria takes part in the production of acids like lactic acid, citric acid and acetic acid. This is common name is vinegar. Now we will see the activity 4, where we will observe fermentation of sugar by yeast. What we will do, we will take a 500 ml beaker filled up to 3/4 with warm water. We have to dissolve 2 teaspoons of sugar and a half spoon of yeast powder in it. Cover the beaker and allow the mixture of sugar, solution and yeast powder to stand in a warm place for 4 to 5 hours. Now smell the solution. You find the characteristic smell of alcohol, which is formed through fermentation. Now moving on to the next activity, that is activity 5, to show that carbon dioxide is released during fermentation. We have also discussed in the activity 3 that the size of the dough is increases due to the release of carbon dioxide. Here also we will see that during fermentation carbon dioxide is released. We have to put some warm water in a bottle. We have to add sugar and yeast powder in it. We have to mix it. Now what we will do, we will attach a balloon to the mouth of the bottle. After some time, now take lime water in a test tube. Carefully remove the balloon fixed to the mouth of the bottle and attached it to the test tube. After some time, you will find that lime water turns milky. We conclude that the carbon dioxide is produced during fermentation. Now moving on to the MCQs. These are the MCQs which is related with the topic which we have done. First question is, microbes are seen through a microscope. Chlamydomonas belongs to a group of algae. Smallest microorganisms are viruses. Lactobacillus bacteria help make curd. The microbes that help making idli and dosa are yeast. Now moving on to the medicinal uses. Now what are the medicinal uses? These are used in the production of antibiotics. Now सबसे ज़्यादा what is important, what are antibiotics, how they are produced. ठीक है. The medicines produced by living organisms such as bacteria and fungi which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms present in our body are called antibiotics. These are the medicines that are produced by the living organism. And what is the function? They kills and stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms that are pathogens present in our body. There are many examples. First one, streptomycin, tetracycline, aureomycin and chloromycetin. These all are the name of the antibiotics. The first antibiotic was penicillin, which was prepared by a fungus called Penicillium notatum. The Penicillium notatum is the name of the fungus and the name of the medicine, that is antibiotic, was penicillin. Now antibiotics are also mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check the microbial infections in animals, and it is also used to control many plant diseases. Now moving on to the do you know part. We should know about Sir Alexander Fleming working on a culture of disease causing Staphylococcus bacteria. Suddenly he found spores of a little green mold in one of his culture plates. He observed that the presence of green mold not only prevented the growth of bacteria but also killed many of these disease-causing bacteria. From this mold, penicillin drug was prepared. Okay. So it was a chance discovery. He was doing something else and he came to know that these are effective in killing the bacteria. Now, what are the precautions that we must take while using antibiotics? Antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor, and we must complete the entire course of antibiotics, and we should not take antibiotics when not needed or in wrong dose, because it may kill our useful bacteria. And antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the beneficial bacteria in the body. So antibiotics should not be taken when we are suffering from virus, because they are ineffective against viral diseases. Now we will discuss about the production of vaccines in the next part.